Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Future of CAD. Today I am going to show the new video how to create the slot on profile curve. Let's get into the video. Here we going to start menu and select the part design. After that, enter the name of the part and click OK. Here the graphical area will open. First we select the sketch and select the plane. Go to that central triangle drawn from the origin. Give the dimension. After that, exit from the workbench. After that, add some thickness by using the pad tool. After adding our thickness, the model is bit ready. After that, go to sketch and select the surface. Here, select the SP lines and draw like this. After draw the sketch, just exit from the workbench. Here again go to sketch and select the side plane. And draw the circle like this. Here make constraint center point of the circle and hold sketch end. Select both the points and make coincidence. Give the dimension for the circle. After that, just exit from the workbench. Here our sketch is ready. So after that, just go to slot option, select here, select the profile circle and select the central curve. Click OK. After that, the slot on the profile curve look like this. Our model is ready. I hope you guys are understand this video. For more 3D modeling videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, The Future of CAD. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.